guys? All right, let's dance cowboy rhythm. Oh, one of my favorites. It's a lot of fun. So let's get started. There we go. You're going to start with a stomp with your right foot. So you're going to stomp on the front, kind of like in an angle, and you're going to fan your toes side to side. You're going to bring the body weight to the front as you're going to stomp now to the left. And the same thing, you're going to fan your toes side to side. We continue to two-step forward with a stomp right and left. So that is stomp with the right, stomp with the left. You're going to kick back your right foot and then the left. You're going to do a twist to the side, or you can do a split. It's fun. You can do whatever you want at this point. So let's do it from the beginning. So here comes a stomp. Stomp and fan. The other side, stomp and fan. 2 steps forward, walk, stomp it. Stomp, stomp, kick up, and split your heels apart. Sorry about that. Okay, so there it is. So from there, you're going to now slide in an angle. So kind of like sideways slide. And you're going to split those heels again, out and in. You're going to slide in an angle to the other side and again split those heels out. Let's do 4 touch steps back. That is step touch for 1, step touch back for 2, step touch back for 3, and step touch back for 4. We continue with a grapevine. Out, behind, out and touch. And we're going to do another grapevine. Out, behind, out and touch to the left. Here on that 1 is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's kind of like a scuff while turning to the left shoulder, quarter turn for the dance to start all over again. So let's do the whole thing. Here it is. We're going to start with that stomp fan. 5, 6, 7, you stomp. Fan with a toe. The other side and fan with a toe. Walk 2 steps and stomp, stomp, kick back and split the heels. Slide, split the heels, slide the other side, do the same. Walk back, step, touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4, grapevine. Out, behind and touch, and out, behind and touch, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And stumps starts all over again. Yay! All right, here comes with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and stomp. 2 steps and kick. And 4, 5, 3 heels, 7 and 8 and side split. The other side out split. Back for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dum, bada bum bum. Grapevine. And again, grapevine. And here goes rum da da dum da da dum da da. That is Cowboy.